Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing videos. If you didn't know, I have two YouTube channels. This channel here, Valerie Grimes Creations, as well as another channel showcasing my online clothing boutique called bohemian-wear.com. And I ordered some items, but I could have them combined together with my clothing boutique and my items for Valerie Grimes Creation, where I have my Etsy shop, Art by Valerie 1814. So let's get started and show you what I bought. So the first item will be 3 sample stickers that I actually put in a person's purchase. It's like a free sticker, samples, and then I have some more poly mailers that's updated. So these are the poly mailers I have on my Bohemian clothing line right here, called Bohemian Wear. Right here you can see, got my logo on it, and the back is plain, but now the new ones I have are supposed to be updated. So this is the back. This is the company called Sticker Mule. I don't know if you've seen this before. This is where I order usually my poly mailers. You get like a sample of 10 and my like matte stickers and different things like that. So let's open up and see what it looks like. You got it really taped up really good. Just cut it so make sure I don't cut anything. Okay, I'm not cutting nothing. Put this in here. Alright. Alright, so these are my new poly mailers. Okay, let's see what it says. If you see, it says Bohemian Wear on here, but on the flat part, it's probably so cool. When you close the back, it has the flat part shows Bohemian Wear. That is so cool. You have it on the front, and then you have it when you close the seal. But on this one, when you close the seal, it doesn't have it. So I think that's a great upgrade. Put that to the side. I really like that one. And then the sample stickers that I got from my artwork. If you've seen in a previous video, I call it like the Girl World collection. I ordered 4 stickers of my artwork. This is a Mrs. Attitude, the round sticker. Victoria Blue and Violetta. If you remember, I ordered Festiva on another video. So these are pretty cool round stickers, and we'll see what size they are. They're 3x3, so I'll include these little stickers and a purchase from my Etsy shop, Art by Valerie 1814. So that's the first package. Okay, in the second package, I ordered poly mailers for my Art by Valerie 1814 Etsy shop, and also some custom stickers from my Bohemian Wear boutique. So this would be like free stickers I'll put in there for each purchase, my online clothing boutique. So this is a sticker meal once again, my go-to store. Open this one up without tearing anything or cutting into anything. Alright, let's do the poly mailer first. What is this? That don't look like what they sent me the wrong poly mailers. MD Design Graphics. This is not my poly mailers. Okay. They sent me the wrong thing, so I think I got an extra package somewhere. This is not my poly mailer, so I don't know what happened there. And okay, well, I got my let's see, my stickers in here. bohemianwear.com. Well, this is correct, but what happened to my poly mailers? They're supposed to look like this, so they sent me the wrong poly mailers. Wow. Okay, MD Design Graphics. That's not mine, so I'll make sure I'll contact them. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna be my go-to store anymore, but I gotta make sure I contact them, let them know they sent me the wrong poly mailers. That was a bummer, but I do like my little bohemianwear.com little stickers I'll be putting in everybody each purchase from online clothing boutique. Thought that was pretty cool. Moving right along, brush that off. Okay, now that I ordered from Amazon some items, I ordered let's see, cell phone car holder. So when I'm driving, sometimes I can blog from my Bohemian Wear boutique. I like to blog on there, so I can blog there on there, or I can just blog when I'm talking to you guys on this channel as well. So let me open this one up. Hope they got this one right. All right, simple but unique See what it looks like. Oh my God, I can't believe they sent me the wrong poly mailers. I was waiting to unbox it for this video, and I've had that for a couple of weeks, but I'm going to have to let them know. Wow, that's messed up. Okay. This will be the phone mount, cell phone mount for the car. If I can get it open already. Okay. This is the part that you put the cell phone in. All the gadgets. Alright, so cool, it's cool. Okay, this is the mount that you sit on like the dashboard or the window sill. I can talk already. I guess, let me see, how would you do this? I'm not sure. Let's see. Open this up. I have instructions. Okay, no instructions in there, but alright, so this is what I got the phone mount, but I'll put this together at a later time. I just want to basically show it to you right now. So this is the phone mount for the dashboard or the window sill, so I can do some vlogging or what have you while I'm driving. Put that to the side. I'll show you this at another time. Assemble it and actually hook it up in the car. Alright, and then I ordered a memory card for my cell phone, because if you didn't know, I use my cell phone to do all my blogging, taking product shops, doing my clothing line, boutique, fashion shoots, and all that stuff. So I just ordered a memory card. So this one is pretty, the one I'm using right now is pretty full. This is a memory card. Okay, open this up. Right here, SanDisk memory card, 128 gigabytes. It's pretty cool, it's less than $20. So I can actually place this with the one I have in there. It's almost full now. This is from Amazon. Spend less than $20 for that. But all the things that I purchased, if I do have the links, I'll leave it in the description box below. Next item. Okay, this is from Amazon. I actually ordered, what do you call this? Oh my God. Oh, this is for wall, it's a backdrop for wall photography. So this is when I do my blogging for my wearboutique, or you can do it with this one. It's a cute little backdrop I ordered. Open it up without ripping anything. It looks more brighter in the picture, but this is the backdrop that I ordered. Yes, it's a lot much brighter in the picture, but oh, it's on the wrong side. That's why. Let's take a little peek at it. Oh, okay, that's on the wrong side. I was about to say. So this is pretty cool. I can show you from the next time I do a blog, but see how pretty it is? The color? It's a pretty color. Okay, it was on the wrong side, but okay, so that's pretty nice. The backdrop. Nice color, colorful, floral. Let's see if I can put like a little picture at the top when I edit this video. See what it looks like. And another thing I ordered was the cell phone stand and plastic hang tags. So when I put my hang tags on my clothing, it will be able to fit. So this is the last box. Last but not least, hope everything's in here right. They're going to send me the wrong polymer. I'm still tripping about that, but I'll make sure I contact them. I'm looking forward to seeing my polymers for my Etsy shop with my artwork on it, but that sure wasn't it. But we'll let them know. And they should send me the right thing. Big old box. The 2 items. Nobody does that. Big old box, there's 2 little items. Okay, this is the mobile pad desktop holder. Supposed to be like a cell phone holder, like a little tall one. Check this out. Okay, that's pretty cool. Open this up. Oh, this is heavy right here, this part. Weighs down. Set it in here. How do you do this? You raise it up. Okay, not too bad. What's up with this? Oh, am I not doing it right? Let me see. Kind of press it in there. Let me look at it. Sorry. Let me see if I'm doing this right. Press that down in there. Oh, okay. On the bottom, you have to have a screw or something. I I'm not seeing the screw. Oh, there it is. Okay, there you got to screw it. That's why I was going. Wondering what was going on, why it wasn't staying. So this is the screw you put under the bottom. All right, that's what you do. Then you screw this here like that. I was wondering what was going on here. Okay, so you get a little wrench here and you screw it. I'm coming. Okay. See if I can do this right quick. Okay. Almost done, so let's see if I can screw this. That's what way I have to screw it. The bottom there. But you get the gist of it. Just drop the screw, but let it up. Should have had another cell phone to show you guys. They can sit it on there. So I do have another cell phone. Let me just grab it right quick. Hold on. Right back. All right, it's my older cell phone. Looks a little crooked. Let's see. Okay. Let me see if I can get this. Where's that? Okay, I can't find it right now. A little better. It's not a video, it's not a flop, but cell phone on there. Give it better how you can actually blog with this. Sit it on there like that, or put it on like this. Okay, it stays. But you just have to finish screwing it, it'll be straight. That's what that looks for. Cell phone holder looks like. Alrighty, and then I have like the little hang tags for when I put my hang tags on my clothes. You have to recognize this little hang tags. You know, you can put. Seen these before. You just put the hang tag through it, and then put it like a wrap it around like the collar of your clothes, anything like that, the little tag hanging out, just put a little hang tag. Alright, so that's my little unboxing video. I know it's a bit like all over the place, a little mess, but very disappointed about my poly mailers for my Etsy shop, Art by Valerie on 814. So make sure I contact Sticker Mule, my used to be go-to shop, but I see they'll send me the correct ones and hopefully give me a discount or just double up on the order. But thank you for watching. So if you like any of these items, I'll leave them in the description box below. And information about my clothing line boutique channel and for the clothing line boutique in case you want to purchase any of my lovely flowing bohemian style clothing. And my Etsy shop as well, Art by Valerie 814. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Leave any comments if you like. Talk to you next time. Bye. Hi all, this is Valerie. I'm just going to put this insert in. I am back. I was saying that I did have an extra package around here, and I did forget I left it on the table. So this is Sticker Mule again. So maybe they send me the right one this time. So let's check this one out. It should be it, hopefully. All right. My artwork poly mailers that I ordered with my artwork. Let's see. This is it. All right. Creations by Valerie. .com. If you remember when I did the pom-pom hair lady video, this is the picture. This is mine. Yay! So creationsbyvalerie.com with the pom-pom hair lady. So I guess they realized it's in the wrong one, then they resend it. So that is so cool. All right, I did get it. So I forgot. I remember I was saying I had an extra package, but I forgot to left it on the table. So I did get it. Creations by Valerie. Cool. All right, that concludes the videos. I think they'll remain to be my go-to store, even though they made a mistake, but they made up for it by sending my correct poly mailers. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.